The townsfolk has called upon me again to make another microwave video. I don't really have a plan for this video. Perfect. So, first thing, you gotta put some salt on it. Keep putting 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 some salt on it. Okay, now you got enough salt. And then you want to pour some Nesquik on it. And you gotta spread it evenly. There you go. Now you gotta pour some Powerade on it to make it powerful. Hold on. So you gotta pour some Powerade on it to make it powerful. Last step, you just wanna put it in the microwave, dude. Maybe about 1 minute. Then you go back to your computer, go on Discord, say, guys, say hi to YT idiots. Oh my god. You can't see that. I hear the microwave sparking. Oh, this isn't good. Oh god. Uh-oh. Oh no.